Hello, it's Oluwaseun here, and I welcome you specially into the new year 2024. As declared, it's a year of help, so I'm expecting and I can see us with help in all ramifications. Okay, so basically, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how to search and download free images on FREEPIK. Yes, there was a reason they gave their name FREEPIK. One of them is that you have access to free um resources. So but there's a way to use it. Now if you notice, you can see this icon here. That's for premium. For premium, that means free and premium are mixed together. But there's a way you can do it, and you can only get only free images. Like what you are going to be seeing is free images. But before we delve in, I just want to do this in few seconds. Okay, so this is AjiseGraphik YouTube channel, and if you are new here, it happens to me also. Anytime I go to a YouTube channel, I just want to get a particular information, then pew, I'm out of the channel. I understand, but I want you to understand that anything you do, your like, your comments are always helpful. You can see we can grow much more than this year. I have a whole lot of videos that can help you to scale through as a designer, how to grade your work, and much more. So if you are new to this channel, I would like you to take out time to make sure to subscribe and also like and share. Thank you for always staying true. Now let's get back into the video. As I was saying, you can download free resources on FreePik. You just need to click on a particular icon, and what you get is only free resources. And this is very easy. It's very easy in such a way that I actually when I was researching, I was looking for a particular resource, and I noticed that FreePik was always giving me premium stuff, and I was like, okay, how do I get to do this? Until I searched and I was able to do this, and this is why I'm sharing this information with you, so you can also enjoy FreePik to the highest. Now let's practicalize it. For example, I need um african map african map. Now you can see all these are free, right? All these are free, but I don't want that one. Let's assume it's this one I want. Let's assume you can see that it's premium. You can see that it's premium, but if you do what I'm about to show you now, FreePik we help you to adjust your preferences into getting only the free part of it for you. So how do you get that done? The same thing goes to text effects and all of that. FreePik will just help you to adjust your research, your search, so that you can get that the free part of it. So FreePik will just help you get the free ones. For example, look at, you can see all these text effects. They mixed both the free and the premium together, but this is going to help you to only get access to the free. Now what do you do? This is optimizing your FreePik. How do you get that out? You can see this place called assets over here. Tap on it, then you can see all these assets, collections, vectors, photos, AI images, icons, videos, PSD. Then you can see free and premium. Now, when you want to search, you need free resource, right? Once you just tap on the free and just type what you need. For example, what you need are maybe golden text effects. you can see now FREEPIK. You can see over here, you can see that it's showing only free, showing only free. You can see it's only free. That's what it's showing. That's what you can see now. It's giving me access to get only free text effects, the ones that are free. You can see all of them. It's not suggesting the premium one. For example, if I did not select this free part and I tap on golden text effects, it will give me all of them. It will give me all the resource together. You can see we have premium ones here, and all of that. So the same thing goes to probably you need your images and all of that. So we need a big hand holding a microphone. Let's see. Then let's make sure we highlight the free and tap on search. You can see everything that you'll be getting is the free resource. Then once you tap on this, and you can easily download the particular resource and all of that. So this is just how to optimize FREEPIK to get the most out of it. Do you get the idea? So you can utilize FREEPIK in such a way that you get only free resources. You can only get only free resource, and the same thing it goes for anything. Let's say brain icons. You can see it will show you everything but only free stuffs. I believe this video has helped in one way or the other, so you now know how to utilize your FREEPIK to get amazing resources. Let me know how this video has blessed you. Thank you, and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye for now.